Hello kids, I'm teacher Didi, nice to meet you. And today we will do our first teaching lesson, first science lesson. So we'll start with the topic of animals, plants and animals superpower units, and we will answer a question today: why do birds have beaks and not a nose like me? Okay, let's start. Okay, go back to the beginning. Okay.
Hi, it's Doug. Do you have a favorite animal like this girl has here?
What is
Sometimes
that?
people ask
It's
me
a dog.
what my favorite animal is, and it's always so hard for me to say. I like turtles a lot. But the more I
Turtles.
learn about animals, the more amazing animals I find out about. Like when I first became a science teacher, I got a pet chameleon like this. Now check this out. Look at how a chameleon's eyes move.
Chameleon.
It can look in all directions. And when a chameleon walks, they look so strange. Those feet they have are actually better suited for gripping onto tree branches than walking on the ground. But my favorite thing about my chameleon was this.
C'est quoi ce
When
délire?
you put an insect in there with it, like a cricket, that's maybe a chameleon's favorite food. Watch what it does.
What?
Oh, wow. Now let's watch that one more time in slow motion. Oh, you see that? A chameleon's tongue is longer than its own body. Now look at this little animal. It's a fish, but not all fish are the same.
It's a
This
fish,
one is
kid.
called an archer fish.
Archer
You've got to see what
fish.
it can do. It's a
Archer fish. And you will see it can spread out some water for have some flies and bees. So
little hard
let's see
to tell,
that.
but there's a bug on the branch up here. Okay, watch what happens. Oh, did you see that? Watch it again.
It's better like that.
It squirted water out at the bug, and then, when the bug fell
You see how fast is it?
and ate it. Wow. Over the next few mysteries, we're going to see lots of interesting animals. One of the things I want to convince you of is that it's almost as if animals have superpowers. Some of them are able to do amazing things. Animals don't do amazing things just to impress us, though. Notice how these animals we just saw, the chameleon and the archerfish, were doing amazing things in order to get food, one of the needs that all animals have in common. There isn't just one way to get food, though. Different animals have different ways of doing it, sometimes involving special body parts. The chameleon has a tongue that's really sticky and really long. The archerfish has a mouth that can act like a hose or a faucet, spraying water in a little jet. This is one way to think about animals. Whenever you see an animal, ask yourself, does it have any special parts it uses to get food? Let's look at a few other animals and see what parts they use.
Okay, so you see the elephant and use his trunk. He use his trunk for get his food. Okay? So what special part does his animal use for get this food? Oh, his mouth can extend. It's crazy. So it's a monkey. It's an animal with similar cousin to humans. So you see how he can get his food. He have some hands like me and you. Okay, let's see the answer.
It's interesting to watch how wild animals get their food. Sometimes it can be
Oh.
Food. Sometimes it can be hard to find wild animals to watch in your neighborhood, though. But I'll tell you.
Okay, sorry for that.
Sometimes it can be hard to find wild animals to watch in your neighborhood, though. But I'll tell you one group of animals that I bet you can see lots of, no matter where on Earth you live. Birds. If there's one thing birds do that's like a superpower, it's the fact that they can
What is the superpower of the birds? Yes, you guess it, they can fly.
fly. But that's not the only thing that's amazing about birds. Think about how birds solve the problem of finding and grabbing food. They don't have any hands. They don't even have teeth. A bird has to use its beak to get food. And there are so many different kinds of beaks. Beaks like this, and this, and this, and this.
So you can have, for example, thin beak, thin, you see, small, or you can have thick, very big, large beak, like this one or this one, like thin. Okay, thin beak. We have this one or this one. Okay.
Look, there's not just one kind of bird beak. Bird beaks are all sorts of different shapes and sizes. Why are they different? That's what we're going to explore in today's activity. Why do bird beaks have such different shapes and sizes? Like, look at these two. Both of these are birds you might be able to find living near you. This is a little bird you might find near your house. It's called a warbler. And this is a water bird you might find near a pond or lake. It's a duck. How are these beaks different?
What do you think how is different? So we say one is thin and one other is thick. Okay. One is dark and one other is orange. And you see it's not the same. Not the same color, not the same shade. Okay.
Lots of...
Okay, let's just see if there is some extension activity. We will see different birds and you will see the beak. I can say each beak have one interest. You see, thin beak will be very useful for example, this bird, because thanks to that, it could eat the sugar from flower very easily. I will see. It's not very fast. He can eat the sugar from the flowers. Okay, that is hummingbird. It's cute. Now we see macaws. Is it cute at the same way? Wow, what a large, strong and thick beak. Wow. He can break nuts only with his beak. We could see that, a gray-blown heron. So it's a big bird. So you see, his beak is used for fishing. It's very fast, long, and the bird is very, very good for fish, for fishing small fish. And last one. Continue. So I have a small, small beak, but look like very strong, and it can eat worms very fast. Okay kids, it's all for today. Have a good day, enjoy, and take care of you. Bye bye.